Today, we're going to check out a football that's for autographs. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. I have this football right here, and I picked this up. It's by Rawlings Reliable Baking Powder. And this one is a football not meant really for playing, although you probably could. I think this material is kind of football-ish. It obviously has a bladder, a little air hole right there. But the whole point of this football, I think, is that you would go and get this sign. This would be something that you would put on display. And you can get them with a lot of different schools emblazoned on there. I picked this one up because it's Northwestern, my own alma mater. So basically what we get on this side is one panel. So there are 4 panels, and this is that leather-like material. I don't know if it's actually leather, right? It used to be pigskin when you call them that, but whatever it is, it's kind of grippy. I feel like there would be a synthetic that would be more durable, less slippery in the rain, those kinds of things, but you do have one side of that. Then you have the 3 other panels, which are, I'm kind of guessing like this white vinyl, maybe leather. It'll probably break down over time, and then the laces right here. But what this does is it gives you, one, a place to put the full school name, and what you can see there is that it is embroidered, which is really nice. I actually thought that might be just silk screened on there and come off, but the fact that it's embroidered in school colors is really nice. And then right here, we have that Northwestern N, that registered trademark, again, embroidered, which is super nice. And then we get a full panel right here. And this is for the autograph. So you got your favorite players, your coaches, whatever. Now you can take this football, your Sharpie, your paint pen. They can sign it. They can write, "Hey, Pete, what's happening?" And the reason I got this is actually we have a new football coach, Coach Braun. I don't have his autograph. I would love to have it. If someone has a way to get me in contact with Coach Braun, I will bring this football and a Sharpie down so that he can sign it to me, because would love to put that on my mantle here. So anyway, Coach, if you're listening, hit me up, man. DM me and let's get together so I can get your autograph. And I'll tell you what, I'll give you an autographed copy of Rated M for Manure. Hey, if you want to pick up this ball or the ball of your favorite school and a copy of Rated M for Manure, I'll put links to everything that you need in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.